Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about health insurance, what it is and how it's work. Okay, so now guys, let's start. First of all, open a Chrome and now search here about health insurance. Okay, what it is and how it's work. Okay, what is health insurance and how it's work. Okay, each and every information shared with you about health insurance. Okay, health insurance is a legal agreement between you and your health insurance company. That agreement includes a health plan that helps you pay for certain medical care and services, so you don't have to pay all the cost on your own. Okay, how does health insurance work? Okay, so health insurance definition, how it's work. Okay, so now health insurance is a contract between a company and a consumer. The company agrees to pay all or some of the insured person's healthcare costs in return for payment of a monthly premium. The contract is usually a 1 year agreement during which the insurer will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, or preventative care. Health insurance agreements in the USA generally come with exceptions to coverage, including a deductible that requires the consumers to pay certain healthcare costs out of pocket up to a maximum amount before the company coverage begins. One or more co-payments that require the consumers to pay a set share of the cost for specific services or producers. Okay. Health insurance pays most medical and surgical expenses and preventative care costs in return for a monthly minimum payment. Generally, the higher the monthly minimum is, the lower the out-of-pocket costs are to the insured. Virtually all insurance plans have deductibles and co-pays, but these out-of-pocket expenses are now kept by federal law. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act has prohibited insurance companies for denying coverage to patients with pre-existing conditions and has allowed children to remain on their parents' insurance plans until they reach the age of 26. Medicare, Medicaid, and the Children's Health Insurance, okay, program are federal health insurance plans that extend coverage to older, disabled, and low-income people. How health insurance work in the United States? Health insurance is tricky to navigate. It is a business with a number of regional and national competitors whose coverage, pricing, and availability vary from state to state, even by country. Okay, about half of Americans have health insurance coverage as an employment benefit, with premium partially covered by the employer. The cost to the employer is tax deductible to the payer, and the benefit to the employee are tax free, with certain exceptions for S corporation employees. Okay, so self-employed people, freelancers, and gig workers can buy insurance directly on their own. The Affordable Care Act 2010, commonly called Obamacare, mandated the creation of a national database called healthcare.gov, which allows individuals to search for standard plans from private insurers that are available where they live. Okay, so some, but not all, states created their own versions of healthcare that are tailored to their residents. Okay, retirees receive federally subsidized care through Medicare, and families whose self-reported incomes were in the lowest income bracket are eligible for subsidized Medicaid coverage. Okay, so types of health insurance are also here, like what are co-pays, deductibles, and co insurance. I hope you also like this video. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.